Hey there, welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're diving into a common issue faced by LG TV owners, the dreaded black screen. If you've ever turned on your LG TV only to be met with nothing but darkness, don't panic. We've got you covered with some troubleshooting tips to get that screen back up and running. First things first, let's rule out some basic causes. Check if the power cord is securely plugged into the outlet and the TV itself. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause the screen to go black. Next, grab your remote control and try adjusting the brightness and contrast settings. It's possible that the screen might be too dim or the contrast might be off, resulting in a seemingly black screen. If those steps didn't do the trick, it's time to venture to the back of your TV. Take a look at the HDMI or other cable connections. Make sure they're firmly plugged in and not damaged. Sometimes a loose or faulty cable can cause display issues. Another potential culprit could be a backlight issue. Grab a flashlight and shine it directly onto the screen. If you can see faint images or menus, then the backlight might be the problem. In that case, you may need to replace it or seek professional help. Conclusion. And there you have it. Some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix a black screen on your LG TV. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to LG customer support or a certified technician for assistance. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.